upcoming feature of Odoo 19 POS, which is courses. Here the courses is very useful for the restaurants, cafes to manage the orders. Here the order can be divided in particular parts and sent to the kitchen so that the waiter can serve the food accordingly and the kitchen can also be managed easily. Let's have a look in of this useful feature. So we will go in our POS restaurant, we will select an order. So for example, I have one order in particular pieces, like first the client or the customer needs two products. After several times the customer needs another product. So if whole order is sent together, the this can be wasted. So here to manage this in Odoo 19 we have the feature of courses. Here we will select courses and we can add here our product, for example cheeseburger. Now we will add a different course here and we can add another products here. So now this is added. Also we can add another course here. So now here our whole order is divided into 3 courses. Now if the customer wants our cheeseburger only first, so we can click on order. So only our first course is fired. It means that in kitchen only these two items is passed and the customer will only get these two items. After several times, if the customer needs course 2, so we can simply fire course 2 here. So now the course 2 is fired to kitchen, means the kitchen has this order now at current. So customer will get this course ready and accordingly we can fire the course 3. So now our whole course is fired. We can pass course by course also. Also we have option to transfer courses. So using this we can transfer one course into another course. Thank you.